Strella AI has just been released, and today we're diving into the 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this new AI software. Whether you're a digital marketer or just someone curious about how Strella AI can streamline your work, by the end of this video, you'll know if this is the best AI software for your needs. Stick around because I'll be sharing some insights that will save you time and help you avoid common pitfalls. First off, Strella AI is all about boosting productivity and optimizing workflows, especially for small to medium-sized businesses. This software is designed to help you automate repetitive tasks, manage your marketing campaigns more efficiently, and even enhance your content creation process, all using cutting-edge AI. What's impressive is how Strella AI adapts to your unique needs. Instead of being a one-size-fits-all tool, it learns your preferences and tailors its suggestions accordingly. This adaptability means less time spent tweaking settings and more time focusing on what really matters, growing your business. Another key feature of Strella AI is its intuitive interface. Even if you're new to AI software, you'll find that navigating through the platform is straightforward. No steep learning curve here. The dashboard is clean and user-friendly, so you can hit the ground running and start automating tasks from day one. Strella AI also integrates with a wide range of platforms, making it easy to sync with tools you're already using. Whether you're managing social media accounts, email marketing, or customer databases, you can streamline your entire workflow in one place. This connectivity eliminates the need to juggle between different apps, saving you both time and frustration. Now, one of the things that sets Strella AI apart is its focus on content creation. The AI helps generate highly relevant content ideas, draft blog posts, and even optimize your social media posts for engagement. If you're struggling with writer's block or just want to save time creating content, Strella AI can be a game changer. But the real kicker here is how Strella AI helps you analyze your data. It's not just about generating content or automating tasks. It goes beyond that by providing detailed insights into your performance. From social media metrics to email open rates, Strella AI helps you understand what's working and what needs tweaking. This kind of actionable data can make all the difference in refining your marketing strategy. Another feature that's worth mentioning is its collaboration tools. If you're working with a team, Strella AI allows you to easily collaborate on projects. You can assign tasks, track progress, and ensure everyone is on the same page, all within the software. This can be especially useful if you're managing multiple campaigns or handling various marketing tasks across different departments. Lastly, Strella AI support is top-notch. Should you run into any issues, they offer 24/7 customer service, along with a comprehensive knowledge base to help you solve any problems on your own. The best part? You can try Strella AI completely for free through the first link in the description below. This gives you the perfect opportunity to explore all the features and see for yourself if it's the right fit for your business needs. So, if you're looking for an AI software that helps you automate tasks, improve your content creation, and provides insightful data analysis, Strella AI might be just what you're looking for. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and this one definitely stands out. Don't forget to check out my recommended AI software list in the description after trying Strella AI, where I share other tools that could potentially improve your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.